Hello, welcome back to the Off Grid family. Today I'm going to just be doing something quite simple, and that's fixing a belt. Basically, I'm a bit of a fatty and my belt broke, but there's enough belt left for a normal sized person to wear, so I might as well fix it. So I'll show you exactly how to do that and we can go from there. Before we get on though, I'd like to thank Paul, David and Simon, my Patrons. You guys are awesome and I really appreciate all the support you've been giving. If you would like to become a Patreon yourself, just pop down the description and there is a link to Patreon there. If you become a patron, you have access to behind the scenes footage, a say in some of the stuff we do on this channel, and early access to the videos, etc. So if that's something you'd like to do and you can afford to do so, then follow the link and become a Patreon. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here's the belt. It's completely ripped in half now and it was all, you know, flappy anyway. If you're in the situation that I'm in, you're going to need super glue and a set of clamps just to glue the bits down and clamp them down while it dries. Then once you've done that, you're going to need a hole punch and a stupidly oversized ruler. No, you don't need it this big, but my other one's upstairs and my legs are hurting today, so I'm not going up to get it. What will also help you is a owl, just to make little holes, you know, to measure where the holes are before using this. If you don't have a hole punch, it's not a problem. The first time I ever did this, I used a hammer and a mallet in this case, and a screwdriver to make the holes in the belt. So the plan is we're going to glue this down, we're going to cut it to the shape we want it, and then we're going to measure along the belt and put some holes in it. So first things first then, let's get some glue on it. Right, now I'm going to clamp it and wait for it to dry. Now to make it easier for me, I've got a few pieces of MDF from the laser that were left over, and I'm just going to use them to clamp it flat. But you know, just any pieces of wood will do. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, which should be plenty long enough. Hope we haven't glued these to it. No, thank God. Not that I was worried, obviously. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're just going to sort this out a little bit. Now, one thing I forgot to mention was we need scissors, and they've got to be pretty good scissors. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to round off the edge. Like a totes profesh. That'll do. No, it won't. There you go, that's fine. Okay, now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just poke a hole every inch along the width of the belt. You know, we're only going to do 3, 4 maybe. No, let's do 3 actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that there, making sure we're somewhat in the middle. And I'm going to use the owl to bloop. There you go. Now with our hole punch, what we're going to do is we're just going to go over our little mark. Punch out a hole. And now we have a belt that will fit someone that isn't quite as big as me. This goes through like this and on like that. There you go. Okay, so there you go, simple as anything, a couple of tools and you're done. And you don't really even need tools, a bit of super glue and something to make a few holes, and it's as simple as that. Anyway, I hope that helped you and I hope that stopped a little bit of waste going into the bin. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.